Welcome students to another class of IP. Let's discuss this topic, proprietary or free and open source software. The developers of some software allow public to freely use their softwares along with the source code. Source code means the developers, they will provide you the code in which that software is prepared with an aim to improve further with each other's help. Such softwares are known as free and open source softwares. Okay, example, the software code of operating system Ubuntu is freely accessible for anyone with the required knowledge to improve and add new functionality. So this is a society that is helping each other. So they are just putting their code openly so that anyone can use or add their knowledge to that particular software. So Ubuntu is an operating system software, so it falls under the category of system software. Okay, and more example of free open source softwares include Python. Python is a programming language, or you can say a platform that we will study in 11th class or 12th also. Okay, LibreOffice, it is an office suite that is available free of cost. Open Office is also available, like we are having MS Office package, so that is paid, or you can say commercial software, that for that we have to pay something. But this LibreOffice or Open Office, they are free or open source software, so they can be downloaded and used easily. Okay, Mozilla Firefox, these are browsers, free or freely available. Sometimes software are freely available for use, but source code may not be available. Such software is called freeware. So software is freely available, but their source code is not available. So such types of software falls under the category of freeware. Okay, example of freeware are Skype. Its source code is not available, but this software is free of cost available. Similarly, Adobe Reader for reading the PDFs files. Okay, so that comes under the category of freeware. Okay, when software to be used has to be purchased from a vendor who has the copyright of the software, then it is called as proprietary software, proprietary, or you can say commercial software. Okay, so examples of proprietary softwares include Windows, Microsoft Windows, Tally, Quick Heal, for which we have to give the payment. Okay, so that types of software falls under the category of proprietary software, or you can say commercial software. Next, a software can be freeware or open source or proprietary software depending upon the terms and conditions of person or group who has developed or released that particular software. So this is all about the proprietary, free and open source softwares. Okay, so let's discuss data deletion and recovery. As the name suggests, data deletion means permission to delete the data, or it is removed from the memories. Locations are also removed. Recovery means getting back that data is known as recovery. Okay, one of the biggest threat associated with digital data is its deletion. Okay, so the storage devices can malfunction or crash down, that results in deletion of stored data. So user can accidentally erase data from a storage device, or a hacker or malware with malicious software can delete the digital data intentionally. So deleting digitally stored data means changing the details of a data at bit level. All the data is stored bit by bits on computer. Okay, which can be very time consuming. Therefore, when any data is simply deleted, its address entry is marked as free, and that space is known as empty to the users without actually deleting the data. So in that case, data gets deleted accidentally or corrupted, then there arises a need to recover the data. Okay, so recovery of data is possible only if the contents or memory space marked as deleted has been overwritten by some other data. So data recovery, it is a process of retrieving deleted, corrupted and lost data from a secondary storage devices that includes a hard disk or CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. Okay, there are usually two security concerns associated with the data. One is its deletion by some unauthorized person or software. These concerns can be avoided by limiting access to the computer system and using password for user account and files whenever possible. There is also an option of encrypting file to protect them from unwanted modification. That means putting a password on a file, so the person who knows the password that can modify that particular file. So other concern is related to the unwanted recovery of data by unauthorized user or software. Many times it happens that we discard our old, broken, or malfunctioning storage devices without taking care to delete data. We assume that the contents of deleted files are permanently removed. However, if these data storage devices falls into the hand of a mischief mongers, they can easily recover data from such devices. This poses a threat to data confidentiality. So this concern can be mitigated by using proper tools to delete or shred data before disposing of any old or faulty storage device. So you have to take care of deleting data. So many softwares are available that can recover data from storage devices. Okay, so this is about data deletion and recovery. And there is one more thing, that whenever first is data capturing, so input device, they captures data and then they process data, and then through storage media we can retrieve the information. Okay, so this is all about unit 1. Thank you so much.